अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ बिज टॉक ऑन BUTV कराची। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट रफ़ा आसिम एंड टुडे वी आर हियर विद अनदर टॉपिक, a topic relating to international freight forwarding and the logistics industry. And today's guest is very special. Not only is he just district sales manager expediters, but he is also BUKC alumni. Please welcome Mr. Rehan Hassan Khan. Assalamu alaikum, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. Thank you for inviting me.
तो मिस्टर रेहान, आप BUKC के अलमनाई हैं, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू स्टार्ट ऑफ आवर टॉक विद हाउ योर एक्सपीरियंस वाज एज अ बहरियन एंड अब इतने साल बाद आके आपने अपनी ग्रेजुएटिंग बैच भी प्लीज़ बताएगा हमें। तो इतने साल बाद आने के बाद हाउ डू यू फील, आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि विद ऑल द एडवांसमेंट्स दैट हैव कम?
Yeah, it's quite nostalgic right now क्योंकि मैं तकरीबन 12 साल के बाद बे यूनिवर्सिटी में आया हूँ और मेरा बैच था 2008। BBA मैंने यहाँ से किया, उसके बाद फिर MBA भी यहीं से किया।
Okay, तो you
stayed. It's around 5 years, so almost 5 years.
Yeah.
और I enjoyed a lot. और जो एक्टिविटीज़ और जो एटमॉस्फेयर, कुछ डिसिप्लिन के साथ चीज़ों को लेके चलना, तो आई रियली एंजॉयड द जर्नी। और आई रियली फील के जो यूनिवर्सिटी की लाइफ मैंने गुजारी है, बहुत कम लोग जो है वो गुजार पाते हैं। तो इट वाज ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस और आई ऑलवेज से कि बैरिया इट्स अ प्लेस। और जब मैं था उस वक्त मीडिया साइंसेस स्टार्ट हुआ था, मैंने खुद एक कोर्स मीडिया साइंसेस का लिया था और अब मैं ये पूरी बिल्डिंग देख रहा हूँ और स्टूडियो देख रहा हूँ, तो आई रियली फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट।
So that's really great, and we hope that the next time you come, you have more fruitful reviews about the university because we will be advancing even more. उसके साथ साथ टॉपिक पे चलते हैं, तो we are going to be talking about international freight forwarding and the logistics industry. तो उसमें से आप मुझे थोड़ा इंट्रो देगा कि what is freight forwarding, तो उस पर थोड़ा सा अपना बताएं।
बताने को तो बहुत कुछ है और अगर मैं बताना स्टार्ट करूं तो आई थिंक आपका टाइम जो है वो कम पड़ेगा।
I think let's just take it जितना आप समराइज करके अपने वर्ड्स में।
I'll take it. International freight forwarding is actually it's moving goods from one place to another. But when we talk about international, it's actually moving from one country to different countries. Right. And while we are talking about international freight forwarding, it's actually the part of the global, I would say, industry. It's a $15 trillion industry overall, and in Pakistan, it's actually progressing, I would say, not, I would say, mature enough right now, but it's a $20 billion company. I would say it's an industry, $20 billion industry. So it has a great potential. Right. It covers when we move from one place to another.
Right.
We need transportation or we need carriers for that. And when we talk about transportation, there are certain means like road transportation, railway transport, infrastructure is there, seaports, and by air movement is airports. So in Pakistan, we are doing everything with that. We are also having road infrastructure, motorways, right, and all these things. We are moving from different places to covering the whole area of Pakistan. Right. And using the ports to move the shipments from different areas or different countries. And for every country, if I talk about, it's all depending on import and export.
Right.
If exports are higher as compared to the import, we call it trade surplus. And when imports are higher and exports are down, so we call it trade deficit.
Right.
So Pakistan is at trade deficit right now, but they are progressing. And if things goes well, it takes a lot. If things
right,
go well,
obviously.
So it's a political and everything comes together, and the infrastructure, and they support the whole industry. If things goes well, then we can progress and we can be at trade surplus as well.
Inshallah.
So in that way, I would say that Pakistan has good infrastructure in terms of port. Karachi has 2 ports. Terminals are different, but right, Karachi has 2 ports. Gwadar is the other newly built port which is being used. So in terms of airports, if you talk about, it's every major countries, major cities having the airport. So
Right.
all these things actually give us the motivation to have foreign investments, foreign currencies in Pakistan, and whatever we can support to build Pakistan into a better exporting country, we are doing it.
Okay. And आपके हिसाब से what do you believe कि what can be the steps taken to improve the facilities and our routes वगैरह जो भी हैं हमारे?
Infrastructure is the thing that we need to focus on. Road transportation infrastructure is quite good in upcountry, but that needs to be linked with Sindh as well, because the ports are there and Balochistan is there. So that needs to be improved. Similarly, railway structure, it's underutilized, I would say. So that needs to be improved. Seaports, they are building new terminals over there, so that's progressing. And airports, it's in new airports. Gwadar airport is about to be launched. It's already working, but
Right.
yeah, it's going to be launched for the freight as well. So that's progressing thing. So we need to focus on infrastructure, and many things. I understand that many youth and the people don't understand this industry that much well. So we need to promote that industry.
Right.
And we need to make sure that the supply chain people, I think you already have the supply chain
Yes, we do. We do have a department
over here. So we need to focus on that and bring the new talent, bring new ventures, bring new people to give new ideas to build this industry and move forward.
तो जैसा आपने कहा कि हमारे पोर्ट्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं, तो उनको प्रॉपरली डेवलप होने के बाद उस पर जॉब्स की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कितनी बढ़ सकती हैं, उसका थोड़ा बताएगा.
Job opportunities is massive in this industry, although the things are changing after AI. So, but still there is a massive space is there for the youth, for the people to develop this industry and develop in a way that can benefit the future people as well. So future generation, I would say. So there is a massive opportunities in the job industry because it is still in progressing phase. So the AI is not being taken up till now, but in future, I would say within 3 to 5 years, the jobs are going to be cut down.
Cut down. That's not that good. तो उसके साथ
but we need to focus that what AI is going to take, it's going to be the operational things. So we
Right.
need to think out of the box.
That's true.
And that's how things progress, and that's how industries develop.
Right. तो उसके साथ साथ मुझे बताएगा कि की लॉजिस्टिक्स कंसिडरेशंस आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि जब हम पाकिस्तान के रोड एंड रेल नेटवर्क्स देखते हैं फॉर इनलैंड फ्रेट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, तो उसके क्या आपके लॉजिस्टिक कंसिडरेशंस होनी चाहिए जो कि पाकिस्तान में शायद हो या ना हो?
पाकिस्तान में आई थिंक एज आई सेड कि अब कंट्री में they have a very good road infrastructure through motorways and everything, but linking the ports and और जो climatic changes आ रहे हैं जिससे flooding and all these things happen, उसके बाद फिर जो है road infrastructure जो है बहुत badly damage होता है. तो उसको हमें improve करना है, और उसको improve करने के लिए हमें ज़रूरी यही है कि think और
Think well, think out of the box.
हम इसको सोचेंगे, जो लोकल अथॉरिटीज़ हैं, गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज़ हैं, इनको सोचना होगा, इनको डेवलप करना होगा टू लिंक Gwadar as well as Karachi Port and Port Qasim to be developed and linked all the road infrastructure to it. CPAC is there to make it happen, and finger crossed everything goes right, so we can go forward on that.
Inshallah, we have very high hopes for that. Thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you so much for watching. You will join us in another episode next week. And जैसा आप लोग ने सुना, हम बात कर रहे थे international freight forwarding पे and the logistics industry. If we keep advancing, we will eventually be able to flourish into a $20 billion industry and create more job opportunities for everyone. तो इसके साथ साथ आप लोग do subscribe to BU TV Karachi and keep watching BizTalk with Rifa Asim.